This Coldwell Banker Bullard property video is presented by Rebecca Wilder. Charles Gower home in Cottonfields II. 4-side brick ranch on approximately 1.67 acres. Kitchen features solid wood cabinets with granite countertops, breakfast bar and hardwood floors. Formal dining room and living room area. Separate laundry room includes a half bath. Sunroom opens up to a back porch that overlooks an above-ground pool. Family room with fireplace. Master has walk-in closet and master bath has double vanities with separate tub and shower. 2 additional bedrooms with large closets and new carpet. 2 guest baths, 1 with double vanity. Perfect for growing family. Roof is less than 10 years old and home comes with a transferrable home warranty. For more information, review the details below or contact Rebecca Wilder at 404-886-9753.